Hey everyone, it's Asjit from Software Tech. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a button that triggers pop-ups. See how a beautiful, nearly full screen pop-up appears on the screen once you click a button. In this case, a menu button. Alright, let's see how the magic is done. In the dashboard, click on Templates, Add New, and choose Pop-up. Name it and click Create Template. Then you will get the library with more than 100 pop-ups to choose from. But we will close it so we can create it from scratch. In pop-up settings, change the width of the pop-up, switch overlay to hide. In under entrance animation, choose fade in and set its duration to 2 seconds. Under style, you can design the box shadow. Under close button, set the vertical position and change the color and size. In the advanced tab, prevent closing on overlay. This sets where you can close the pop-up either on any part of the screen or only on the X or the button. So let's get into designing your pop-up. Add a section with 2 columns and there choose no gap. Inside the left column, drag in an intersection widget and add some padding. Drop in a title widget and adjust your typography and size. This time I am going to duplicate the title. Note that there we are not using nav menu, just the title to create the menu. Add a button widget. Edit your button's text and style, color, border, etc. Let's add a margin on the top. Now add another intersection. Add some padding. Then inside the intersection, add and design the share buttons. Alignment, size and custom color. Now let's design the other side. In the right column, the color is changed. Add an intersection. Adjust the padding and margin. Drag in a title and design it. Now add a form for user to sign up for the newsletter. We just need their emails, so let's delete all the other fields. And fine-tune the size, icon, color, etc. To display 3 products, let's add another intersection. Add padding, but here let's slide hide for mobile to make it visible only desktop and tablets. Here a minus margin will shift your column to the left, making it stand out more. Copy the title and paste it. Change the column color to white. Border radius and box shadow. Drag in an image and go to town. Now go back to the text and change its fade, margin and duplicate it. Edit the text. Now duplicate the column 3 times and change each individual margin to create a space between them. Add an image. By the way, you can use video, GIFs or regular image. Polish your text. In preview, get an idea how it looks. Click publish and the conditions window will open. And no changes are needed to the conditions, triggers and advanced rules. This only applies to pop-ups that are triggered by buttons. Save and close. Now let's define how you pop your pop-up by going to your site's header. Here's a header that was already created. Press the button menu and in content, link, dynamic, choose pop-up. Click again on pop-up and under action, choose toggle pop-up because you want the button to both open and close the pop-up. In Popup, choose your pop-up and save. On your live page, you can test it by clicking on the button to open and close the pop-up. That's basically it. You can open pop-ups for any kind of button on your page. Give it a spin today using pop-ups in your own creative way. Cool, right? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all the latest updates and tutorials.